Hey fellas, we have the good old Makita Angle Grinder. I will remove that disc here. It spins easy, that's a good sign. Okay, I will try to turn it on. The light is blinking. Okay, maybe it has some sound. We'll check. What we want to check now here, the brushes. And we can see that the brushes was worked out to fit here, and the brush holder is definitely melted. So I will check for the second brush holder. You can see that it's definitely, actually here my camera not focusing here, so I will make the normal view. Okay, you can even see the hole in the brush cap, and the holder, it's all melted. That's not a good sign. Okay, let's check. The gear inside looks good, the grease looks fresh. I'm not sure, possibly the diameter are good. And what we want to see here, we want to see the brush holders. And yep, brush holder are definitely damaged. The help unit have some real metal dust here. Okay, everything else looks good, so we need a new brush holder, possibly new caps, and of course the brushes. Let's check what we got. We got the brush holder, the brushes. I have the new caps, so the old one's going to the recycle bin. Okay, first of all we want to replace the holder. We can see that the red one goes where's the number 1. And the black one, where's the number 2. Okay. So we have the black one. We have the red one. Looks nice. Now we can insert the holder, and Everything, the old one was like that. The positive was up, positive terminal of the brush. You can see we have the bump here. We need to get the bump into the housing pin. And if everything looks nice, you can close it. Now I will clean the armature commutator a little bit with the sanding paper. Just a little bit to make it nice and shiny. What I'm checking now, I can fit it perfectly because it's a rubber inside, so if the ball bearing rubber will fall out or be pressed, the armature will spin a little bit harder and sometimes it can even burn. Okay, now this one's, if you cannot remember how it was, we can always open the spare part view. And it's DGA504 parts. And what can we see? We can see that we have the button up and our wheel is looking down, so that means when the button is up, the wheel must look down. It will be like that. Now it's time for the brushes. The cap. Of course, we have the brush cap covers. We have the wheel guard. And you can check how it spins. It must spin easy. And now I can try to run it. Okay, runs good, so it's good. That's all. Thank you for watching and bye.